Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a controlled workspace. No fans, a clean table, and steady light. Use the wet wipe to remove oils, then dry with the microfiber cloth. Use the dust sticker to lift any specks. Once done, peel only the backing edge, not the full film, and hold the protector by the edges. Line it up with the camera cutout and speaker, making sure the edges match. Slowly lower the protector from one side. Don't rush the first contact. Once the protector makes contact, use a soft card or squeegee to push air from the center toward the edges in steady strokes. This expels bubbles without stretching the film. If a stubborn bubble remains near an edge, lift that edge a hair, reseat the film, and squeegee again. Small lifts prevent dust ingress. Make sure the protector lays flat and the edges fully adhere. This prevents edge lifting later and preserves touch sensitivity and clarity on the display. You finish by pressing the perimeter down firmly with your finger to secure adhesion and wipe the screen for final clarity. If you spot a tiny speck under the protector, lift the nearest corner slowly, use the dust tab or tape to lift the particle, then reapply and squeegee. If a persistent edge lift appears after 24 hours, the protector may be defective or miscut. Replace it for long-term protection. Keep the original packaging and follow
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.